everything was happening at a house that we were staying at.
Emzuzwini embalwa bezihamba-hambela emgwaqeni oseduze ikhaya labo liphenduke laba indawo yobugebengu.
I think it was 8 o'clock. There were gunshots. There was a helicopter also. We saw commotions, we saw cops, we saw barricades.
Amaphoyisa alunywe indlebe ngalendlu nalapho abasolwa abangaphezulu kwamashumi amabili bebambe khona umhlangano.
What we can see, it appears as if they were planning an aggravated robbery. What specifically it is, we are not able to confirm at this stage, but we do know that it was going to be a big scene.
Kuboshwe abasolwa abayishumi nane.
2 of them are female. We've also recovered 4 illegal firearms, which is 3 rifles and 1 pistol. And also on the premises are 6 vehicles, 5 of which have already been confirmed as stolen.
Abanye abasolwa baphunyukile, omunye wabo wabaleka nengane enezinyanga eziyisithupha ubudala.
Umuntu akhona bekagqoke a grey sort of camouflage outfit. His t-shirt was fun, and apparently he had a mohawk.
Kubonakala sengathi amaphoyisa anolwazi.
We have also been given that report that there is one of the suspects who possibly used the child as a protection, not to get shot. So police are still searching for this child. We are appealing for information.
Kukholakala ukuthi abazali bengane bayingxenye yabasolwa ababoshwe kulendlu. Kathi bebaleka imoto bebehlangana nayo abasolwa ababebaleka bayiqonde ngqo. Lendoda ibisaqhaqhazela ukuthuka kathi ichaza ukuthi ihlaselwe kanjani.
Bengithuke kakhulu ngoba into ebiqala empilweni yami, into engakazi yenzeke kumina. So bekuyinto ebiqala, so into eyenzeka ukuthi indlela abasengithuke ngayo, I didn't know what to do. And then I came out of the car, then ngalala phansi floor in the middle of the road. Ukuthi ngabe kunemoto eqhamuka bengenze ukuthi ngishayise nayo into. Kodwa ngaleyo nkathi bengazi ukuthi ngenzani. Because bengasazi trauma ibisi too much ngalokho.
Kunezinye izigameko ezifuze lesi ezenzeke kwezinye izindawo.
There are 5 other scenes that are related to this incident, whereby we also unfortunately report 2 fatalities. One is one of the suspects and one is a security guard who was shot.
Amaphoyisa neqholo lokuthi kukhona abasolwa abazoboshwa. Uphenyo luyaqhubeka.